Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Vanilla Mace on Dress to Impress. She is the girl who says, "Oh, who is you?" to the blind boxes she gets because she's very unlucky opening those. That's also me if I ever open one. But anyways, for the hairstyles, we are going to use this mask hair because she has really curly hair, and I'm just going to color it this brown color. And then I'm going to use this fit. I don't really know what she wears, but usually I see her in this kind of tank top vibe. And I'm just going to color it white and matte here. And then for the pants, I also don't know what pants she wears. I'm just going to wear these casual pants. And then for the shoes, again, I don't know what shoes she wears, but I'm just going to use that one. And I'm just going to color it red. And then for the blind box, I'm just going to use this heart-shaped box. And I'm going to color it red and green because that's where she got the most viral, I guess, even though I knew her before. But she did not like the Christmas tree one. Oh my gosh, what green was it? It wasn't super green. It was kind of bluish green. So I'm trying to recreate that. Okay. Then you can maybe add a doll here as well. Sorry about my voice, by the way. I'm sick. It's not even funny right now. Maybe the cuddle one. And then I'm just going to dress her up. Well, try to dress her up in the oh, whoops, wrong one. In the Christmas vibe. Let's add some glitter. Inner shirt, I'm gonna just do that as well. Hair, I think the doll had that hair as well. The headband, I don't remember what color. I'm just going to do red. Hair clips, I'm gonna do green. What about the hair? Okay, I'm going to do silk for that. And there we go. That is how you can create Vanilla Mace on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!